खबर लाइकम namta ki Meghalaya Health Service Recruitment Arjapsaw. Ki kerteng jong ki post ki day staff nurse bat ANM. Te ki post bara bala ki dan hadu ars pa asaw putli ki post. Jong ki staff nurse bat ANM. The Office of the Directorate of Health Service MI Shillong invites online application from individual who are bona fide citizen of India for the post of staff nurse and auxiliary nurse midwife NM. Tika code online application tang yaki citizen ki badai hapo kari India. Tika tarik ban submit last date kadai san tarik banai kandai arjar upsaw. Telo dadran apadang jengpi ki candidate ki balong eligible yaki ki post ila ban apply. Tika post banikong kadai staff nurse sis pa andup satu ki post baro pami. Dan lapiru halak jongki reservation policy as state supervise. You are percently post kasih bacantie untuk penutuliki post including to spot person kemudian lakhendang yaki arngut ki spot person dan garo untuk percently post including to spot person dan OST bat SC pratuliki post total post kalong cis pa untuk pusau tuliki post baro ke age limit na bentakini ki post kadai katpara hadu live arsnam for candidate belong to shield tribe and scheduled caste of Meghalaya, the upper age limit shall be relaxable by 10 years. The nam taki ST bat SC jongki Meghalaya ka age relaxable hadu sipusnam kemud katpra hadu sapunyusnam papila ban apply yakini ki post. Kajing siu nam takini ki post kadai P level 8. The essential qualification kadai BSc nursing, general nursing and midwife GNM from a recognized institution by the Indian Nursing Council. Applicant should be registered under the Meghalaya Nursing Council. Depidi ban pendep ya ka jing pule kepada ka BSc nursing ane GNM from a recognized institution by the Indian Nursing Council. Teki applicant ki ban register apo ka Meghalaya Nursing Council. Kawai post ANM new patliki post bara bami dan lapia ru halak jong ki kategori you are katliki post kasih bacantie live lagi post including 21 spot person te are lagi post pamdaki spot person karo live lagi post including 1 person ti way namdaki spot person OST bat SC southly ki post total post kalong new pratali baro dan gasnem namdakine bapila ban apply kedai kumjo karpra hadu saw punyusnam plus bat ka age relaxation jeng siu nam takini ki post kadai P level 5. Essential qualification auxiliary nurse and midwifery certificate from an institution recognized by the Indian Nursing Council and registered under Meghalaya Nursing. Dipidi bantuan ka certificate auxiliary nurse and midwifery akan recognized by the Indian Nursing Council. Patpidi ruban register hapo ka Meghalaya Nursing Council. Teki interest candidate ki balanggi eligible kila ban apply lengba ka Meghalaya Health Service official website jadi https://mmsrp.in nadu ka santerik bani bupra ajab saw hadu santerik bani kandai arjar pusaw. The applicant must upload a recent password in the space provided in the application. Di candidate kidi ban upload yaka photograph pujong fi akan ka application. Kisi lebos nakam takini post banto examination banikong medical and surgical nursing apumak obstetrical and gynecological nursing apumak child health nursing apumak mental health nursing apumak community health nursing apumak tebaro yakini kisi lebos pidi ban kre nam takini post. Yakini exam pwede banto haka OMR sheet using black ball pen dengan kami kulam yang ujung pi pendap yaki OMR sheet ujung pi medium of the question paper. The written exam will be an English medium. The yaki question ki paper ki ujung pi kidai ki English sudah. Center there will be 2 separate center for writing the examination Shillong and Tura. Tela peru atli ki jaka nakam taka Shillong bat ka Tura. Kajing siu nam takine kalong
Sanspa paro naki general but arsparan peu nagam taki SC ST kategori kandidat. Te tangkini kijing betip nagam nagam pos baro te perlok lada pisutuna tekan ke channel ke janga sebab subscribe ke channel bat press ro bell icon kenang ba pin omis ya ki update ki batmai. Jala lada pisutuna tekan channel sing ba share ki perlok ke jengpi kenang bakin tip ya kini kijing betip baro kalau sibon.